They built America's railroads by singing work songs and moving in perfect rhythm, like a dance. But one wrong move, one missed beat, could mean serious injury. These were the Gandy dancers, railroad workers whose synchronized teamwork laid 250,000 miles of track across America, one rail at a time. In the mid-1800s, America faced a massive challenge, connecting a vast continent. Cities were isolated, goods couldn't travel efficiently, and economic growth was limited by geography. The solution was ambitious: build the most extensive railroad network in the world. But laying railroad track wasn't something machines could do alone. It required thousands of skilled workers performing precise, coordinated labor. These workers needed to align heavy steel rails, drive spikes, and adjust track position, all while maintaining perfect timing and teamwork. Enter the Gandy dancers. Gandy dancers got their name from the rhythmic, dance-like movements they performed while working, and possibly from the Gandy manufacturing company that made their tools. Their job required remarkable coordination. Teams of 8 to 12 workers would stand along a rail section, each holding a lining bar, a long iron tool weighing about 20 pounds. Here's where it gets fascinating. They moved the track using rhythm and song. A caller would start a work chant, and the entire crew would respond, pulling and pushing in perfect unison on the beat. The songs weren't just for entertainment, they were the coordination system. On the count, they'd lift together, shift together, and set down together. Timing was everything. The rails weighed over 700 pounds per section. If one person moved out of sync, the entire crew could be thrown off balance, potentially causing accidents. Gandy dancers worked in extreme conditions: scorching summers where metal rails became too hot to touch, and freezing winters where the ground was rock hard. The work crews were remarkably diverse: African American, Irish, Chinese, Italian, and Mexican workers, all contributing their cultural work songs and musical traditions. These rhythms blended into a unique American railroad work music tradition. Despite the challenges, Gandy dancers took immense pride in their precision. A well-coordinated crew could lay hundreds of feet of track in a single day, and their work songs became an important part of American folk music history. The rhythm of their work literally helped build the nation. The term Gandy dancer has an interesting origin. While some say it came from the Gandy Tool Company, others believe it described the distinctive, swaying, dancing motion workers made when tamping down the track ballast, the gravel that supports the rails. Whatever the origin, the name stuck, and Gandy dancers became legendary figures in American railroad history. Their work songs influenced blues, jazz, and folk music for generations. By the 1950s, mechanized track-laying machines began replacing Gandy dancers. What once required 12 synchronized workers could now be done by 2 operators and a machine. The profession gradually disappeared, but the legacy remained. The work songs Gandy dancers sang were recorded and preserved, becoming an important part of America's musical heritage. Today, trains travel at 200 miles per hour on tracks that Gandy dancers laid by hand, one synchronized movement at a time. Every mile of railroad represents their rhythm, their teamwork, and their dedication. Gandy dancers were just one of many incredible workers who built America through skill, coordination, and perseverance. Subscribe to discover more forgotten professions that shaped our world. New videos every week.